I'm sure you couldn't wait for the public release of iOS 15 and install the developer or a public beta version on your iPhone. But don't expect that iOS to work smoothly. Obviously, it's the beta version, and that word beta has an asterisk sign which says contains bug. Hello all, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in this video, I'll talk about a few common bugs in iOS 15 developer or public beta. Every day, I receive DMs on my Instagram channel iGeeks blog asking for a list of bugs in iOS 15 or a solution to a bug in iOS 15 beta, and every time a few bugs are common. Those DM made me thought to create a video about the list of common bugs and share the solution. I'm sure you are also curious to know the list of bugs. Let me don't keep you on hold and talk about the very first common bug, and that is with the video player in any browser application. Many users reported, even I noticed these bugs in iOS 15 beta 4 and 5. In Safari or Google Chrome, I tried to play a video from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or a Twitter. It won't play. iPhone screens will remain black and only audio plays. This is weird, like I was experiencing radio on my iPhone where there is no visual but only audio. Now the question is, how can we fix this? Apple has already fixed this bug in the latest iOS 15 beta 6 release. Update to the latest version of iOS and this bug will be fixed. The next common bug is with the well-known app Twitter. It's get crashed multiple times even in the latest version of iOS 15 beta. Not to worry, there are two fixes for that too. The first is to clear RAM on your iPhone. To clear RAM on your iPhone, make sure Assistive Touch is on. Now navigate to Settings, General and select Shutdown. Over here, tap on Assistive Touch and press and hold the Home button. Your iPhone screens will blink and will prompt to enter a passcode to unlock your iPhone. It's a sign that your iPhone's RAM is cleared. Another fix is to force close all the app and restart your iPhone. This will help to fix that bug for sure. There is one more bug for one of the popular social media app, and that is Instagram. My iPhone does not shows Instagram notification on the lock screen or while my iPhone is unlocked. In every 10 DMs, 1 or 2 DMs are about this bug and ask for the help to fix it. Let me tell you, there is no quick or 100% working fix, but a few tweaks will help you to fix this issue. And that worked for 60% of the audience to whom I have shared these fixes over the DM. For this common bug, the first common fix is to update the Instagram app. You might say, hey, this is not the solution, and if it is, then everyone knew this. Yes, you are right, everyone knew this, but sometimes it helps to fix the issue. If does not, then the next trick will help you to fix it. And that is to disable notification for Instagram, restart your iPhone, and then turn on the notification again. Just in a case, if this fix does not work, then my friend, there is only one way left, and that is to delete the Instagram app from your iPhone. Not permanently, but deleting such application will clear the data and caches from the iPhone, and reinstall the Instagram app and try to turn on the notification on your iPhone. This will surely help to fix the issue. If not, then you have to wait for the next public release of iOS 15. The next most common bug is in the camera department. While taking panorama picture, the results are not good as expected. Like it gets blurred, repetitive objects, or that picture does not save in the iPhone's camera roll. The solution to this bug is just a tap away. So this bug in iOS 15 beta occurs when low power mode on iPhone is turned on. Turn off the low power mode and try clicking panorama picture. This is 100% working and will fix the issue. Next bug is not on the iPhone but on Mac running macOS Catalina or later. If we connect iPhone running iOS 15 beta to Mac, then Finder window on a Mac becomes unresponsive. The solution to this fix is simple. Just disconnect the iPhone from Mac and it will start working smoothly. Let me come back and talk about the bug on iPhone, and that is with the CarPlay. Many users reported that CarPlay does not work while SharePlay is activated. If you want to fix this issue, I really mean if you wish to fix this issue, then update to the latest iOS 15 beta 6. With this update, Apple disabled the SharePlay feature on iPhone. It's sad, but not to worry. Apple will enable it in future beta or public release later this fall. The next bug is with the Files app on iPhone that get crashed. This is a kind of not a common bug, but a very few users reported this bug. Some of them tried restarting iPhone, clearing a RAM, but it didn't work for all of them, and there is no workaround to this issue. Sorry for this time. But hey, do you know, this time Apple has been mean. It seems like Apple wants us to forget our Mac, especially those with Intel processor. Not really, but it's a bug. In WWDC, Apple introduced a new feature that notifies us if we leave any of our Apple product behind. But unfortunately, users are not getting any notification if they left their MacBook with Intel processor. Hopefully, Apple will fix this bug soon. Apart from all these common bugs, there are few. And you might be wondering, does Apple know about these all bugs? Of course, Apple knew all these bugs and will fix them soon. Hopefully, in future, all bugs will get fixed in the next beta updates or for sure in the public release of iOS 15 along with the next iPhone 12s, or it may be called iPhone 13 this September. So these are the common bugs that you guys reported, and I tried to find the possible fixes for them. If you come across any bugs, feel free to share them in the comment section down below. I'll surely share a fix for it. Now it's time to say goodbye, but before that, like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss such great content from me. Now if you have done that, allow me to say goodbye. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay connected.